And don't hit Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight.
You guys already seen how I spent my Christmas. This Christmas was just a very lonely and chill Christmas. My children are not around. My husband wasn't around. It was just me. You can imagine. Please let me know. After cooking, does this thing happen to you? After cooking, you don't get to eat your food. You prefer to eat another person's own. Please, if it happens to me, let me know in the comments. So that was just my audio that day. After cooking, asu rice, rainbow rice, that sumptuous chicken. Oh God, I couldn't eat it. I just had to eat the chops that I ordered, and I finished myself with movies that day. I watched movies, I slept, I enjoyed myself, and that was just it. This video is just to say thank you to all my subscribers so far for 2025. Thank you for riding with me. The new people that are doing, thank you. This is the channel you need to stick to by the special grace of God. Come 2026. Don't make it your last year, okay? 2026 by God's grace promises to be an interesting, lovely, and fun one. So you won't want to go anywhere. Thank you for riding with me throughout this Vlogmas series. I don't take it for granted. The small girl is growing gradually, and I'm super grateful. If you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share my comments, share my videos so that I'll know that I'm doing the Lord's work. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.